Ready, Josh?
Oh, looks like that.
Yeah, it looks big enough. Oh man, I get stuck in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, it's all soaking wet.
Oh
Yeah.
man. Woo! Oh shit. Does this thing come down?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I feel slightly safer.
Oh. They call us Facebook geeks.
That's going on Facebook.
Oh my god.
It's fucking awesome.
Hey, take a picture and go, oh, look how much air I got on my wheeler today.
Yeah. Woo! I'm doing it, Superman.
I dropped my phone. I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh man, dude, I was almost this high. I was probably this high, and I jumped off the damn ski lift.
What?
Yeah.
Well, I hear a great story. Probably, it's at Bristol. As soon as you take off, I was on this side, right, and I was just beginner skier. Just as the thing scoops me up, I slip and fall. My ski goes like this, and I get caught on the bar, and it gets steep really fast. So it pulls me up and rips my ski off. So I panic. And I'm already like 20 feet up. I just bail out. I fucking jump off the damn. I jumped off the damn thing right in front of everybody, and they're like, "Are you kidding?"
At the top,
Guys, like,
got
are you
big
kidding
nets
me?
and stuff for people to get drug around. You know, when you don't get off right and you fall down or whatever.
Yeah, usually on the back side. Yeah.
You fall on this big net. Loser.
It sucks, because on a camera you can't really see how high we are.
Well, take a picture of the roof of that house.
It takes like... Oh yeah, there you go. It's a good little focal point. What the hell is that, a slip and slide?
No, it's shit for new
Keep
grass.
the soil from
Oh, so the birds
eroding.
don't eat the... Yeah. So cool. I'm not coming home.
I'll be able to come by here and slap some stickers on there.
That's cool.
We used to fill our ski poles up with whiskey, dude.
Your poles, what are they,
Yeah.
hollow?
Yeah.
Obviously. Dude, we're gonna play these simultaneously. And we got the same laugh.
Round sound.
Exactly. We both go, obviously.
That's Stagnito in stereo.
Exactly.
This is so chill. I would just ride this for hours and kick back.
One more time around the park, Jeeves.
I still want to see someone jump from one to the other.
Yeah.
As soon as you go to jump, the whole cart leans to the side and you fall on the ground.
These ones are really smooth. Usually they scare the hell out of you when they go over them things.
Yeah.
Shake you all over. Look at it. Oh, he's drying it. I was gonna say.
Oh. I don't know why I bother.
Dude, put yours in front of mine.
Oh, she has a glare.
You must have
Oh, I got
poured
my
one
flash
in
on.
there and we didn't even notice. Look at how wet the roads are and shit.
You know what that means, right? Drifting all the way down.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try it.
Prepare to unload raised bar. Nope, I'm not doing it.
This always scares the hell out of me. When you're on skis, I first started skiing, I was shitting my pants right here going, oh shit, oh shit. Every time you get off, you freaking just eat shit on the other side. You know, it's like a big drop off, and you're like, oh, fuck, I'm dead. Hey, how are you? Thanks, buddy.
My ass is soaked.
Yeah, me too, man.
Totally.
Another day, we're going to take that one. Right now, it's freezing, and our asses are
How
soaked.
bad it's pouring up there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Still feel so damn weak.
Oh, me too.
From